Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Wednesday the 25th of April 2018. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, let's take a look at overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. And a very similar story to yesterday. I've highlighted the main moves over the course of the last 24 hours, and I'm drawn back to the Aussie, the Kiwi and the Japanese yen, all of which are given further ground against the US dollar. The dollar for its part trading back up at 19.93 now, shortly before we recorded the video, when expressed by dollar index. So a recurring theme, the strength of the dollar, and in fact we'll have a look at that in a bit more detail, or at least a potential cause for it, a bit later on in the video. Okay, what's on the calendar then? Events that may move the markets. A pretty light calendar today. We have ongoing holidays in Italy, New Zealand and Australia, where it's Anzac Day. We have had some data out first thing in the shape of all industry activity data for February from Japan. Numbers were in line with consensus and well ahead of the prior read. To come at 06:45 GMT, we'll have French consumer confidence. And then at 8 o'clock GMT, the ZEW survey data out of Switzerland, and that's for April. At 11 AM GMT, we'll have US MBA mortgage applications for the week of April 20th. And at 14:30, we'll have EIA crude stock changes for the same week. 1700 sees a US 5-year note auction. That'll be interesting to see how that auction performs given what's going on in US bonds at the moment. And at 2015, the busiest man in central banking at the moment, Bank of Canada's Governor Poloz, takes to his feet for his third speech this week, I believe. Right then, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye. First of all, US equities posted a sharp sell-off yesterday, with the US 100 index down by more than 2% on the close, and the US 30 index fell by 1.75%. Against that background then, Facebook will report earnings after today's US close in a week that sees more than 40% of US 500 stocks post results. And President Trump maintains a tough stance on Iran, even as his French counterpart Emmanuel Macron lobbies for a renewal of the nuclear deal with Tehran. Okay then, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day and beyond. Why not think about this? The US dollar continues to rebound as 10-year bond yields test the 3% level. But ING analysts believe that the rally is more about a change in traders' positioning than the fundamental outlook. In fact, they think it's a short squeeze. And here they plot a chart of the Bloomberg dollar index against the aggregate net positioning in the US dollar, and they flag that short positioning in the US dollar is at its lowest for 5 years, and hence the rally in the US dollar. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're unsure about the suitability of the products for you or the risks involved in trading, then please do contact your Pepperstone account representative. Thank you for your time.